What's going on, everybody? Isaac with Embedded Nature. Thank you for joining me. And today we're going to be looking at something a little special. What I have here is a package from the Ocean Cleanup. And if you haven't heard of the Ocean Cleanup, that is a nonprofit organization based out of the Netherlands who's tasked with ridding our oceans of plastic. They've taken the responsibility of ensuring that the Great Garbage Patch is cleaned up. They have initiatives to clean our rivers to stop plastic from getting into the oceans in the first place. And with all of this plastic, they've had the idea to recycle it into something usable, and that thing is in this box. So we're going to open it up now and show you what's inside. So of course this is made from recycled cardboard. Thank you for enabling the cleanup of tomorrow. The plastic in these sunglasses once polluted the ocean in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. By giving this material new life, a problem becomes a solution, your solution. Wear them, share them, and let the world know that you are part of the largest cleanup in history. So, this case, this tube, is actually a piece of the Ocean Cleanup's first cleanup robot. So they retired that robot, and this is that case. That robot was called Wilson. So on here it says, this case is made of plastic that was once part of System 001, Wilson. So it's kind of cool. This will be a carrying case. It's really sturdy plastic, by the way, so I do like that. So all made in Italy. And cool, so these are the glasses in the case. Nice little case. The Ocean Cleanup, Great Pacific Garbage Patch, and it has its latitude, longitude on there. Let's open these. I'm excited to see what these look like. Oh yeah, these are pretty cool. And it's great because I've always been a fan of blue reflectors on my sunglasses, so this is like perfect for me. Has a little Ocean Cleanup badge on one side, and it kind of has this like cool color to it. Definitely my sort of blue. It looks like it's pretty thick frame, so it seems pretty sturdy, and these should bend in to fit your face. And then I see the QR code. We'll scan that and see what that looks like. But yeah, let's try these on. How do I look? I won't know what these look like till I watch back the video, but these are sweet. They fit really nice, not gonna lie. I think they are very sturdy. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off. These are sweet. I mean, I try to keep a few pairs of sunglasses, but nothing too crazy. But with these, I'll definitely rock these to support the Ocean Cleanup. This is a huge initiative that I believe is something we have to do for not only ourselves but our future generations, because you know all the animals are eating that plastic, and we also could be ingesting some of that too. It's super small particles that we have no idea, because we're eating the same fish that come from the ocean that we're dirtying. So you know it's not the best way to do things. Having a clean ocean is one of the many things that us humans have to make sure we are responsible for, just like we need solar and renewable energy. Now let's take a look at that QR code. You know, this is a huge initiative. I really respect the team for taking this on. It's no easy task. You know, the ocean is owned by all of us, so who really takes the responsibility when you're looking at different government entities that may or may not have the resources to do it. So it's cool to see a nonprofit company like the Ocean Cleanup try to do that. If you purchase a pair of these sunglasses, 100% of the proceeds go to cleaning up our ocean. So one pair of these sunglasses cleans up 24 football fields. And when I say football fields in America, I mean soccer fields. Either way, that's a huge amount of plastic that's being cleaned up from one pair of sunglasses. Now, I will admit that these sunglasses aren't the cheapest. They are at the range of any high designer sunglasses. I was an early donor, and these were $150. I believe if you go to get them, they will be $200 US. Now, you can think, oh wow, well this is a huge price to pay for some sunglasses, but think of what you're actually doing. To clean up 24 football fields with one pair of glasses, with one donation, think of that ripple effect, because now that money goes right back in to clean more and more. So I think it's a perfect investment for someone who cares about the planet and wants to see future generations enjoy some of the things we have. You know, we have to make sure biodiversity is there. So, you know, the choice is yours. If you want to help out, there'll be a link in the description, and you can get your pair of sunglasses, or you can just donate. You know, there's a lot of other initiatives that can help the world. So the Ocean Cleanup is doing a great job, and I thank you guys for doing this, and I support your efforts. And everyone watching, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to check out the Discord if you want to chat. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and give me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, what you think about the Ocean Cleanup, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.